Hey guys, so last week we worked on our self-portraits and we drew a picture. See, it looks like me. Yay! We worked on our self-portraits. This week we're going to get either a Sharpie, if your parents will let you use one, a black marker, or you can skip the tracing step if you don't have anything. A black crayon or a black colored pencil would also work. Anything that's just dark and will help your lines pop. And we're going to trace our self-portrait, and we're also going to add some awesome patterns to the background. So let's get started. All right, friends, so this is my drawing from last week. I'm going to take I'm going to wait on my Sharpie, and I'm going to pick up my pencil, and the first thing I'm going to do is add some patterns to my background. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm first going to divide my background into different shapes. And the way I'm going to do that is by just drawing some lines that start at my portrait and go out to the side of my paper, just like this. I'm going to add a picture. We're going to be a little bit inspired by Romero Britto, who's a great artist who loves using bright colors and patterns in his artwork. And so our background is going to be inspired by Romero Britto. So now that I have this all drawn out, I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to very slowly and carefully trace my self-portrait. All I'm doing is tracing those pencil lines. And remember, if I'm going a little too speedy for you, you can always pause the video and come back when you've caught up. So I'm just looking at these pencil lines, and I'm tracing. Kind of hiding my eyebrows, but that's okay. I'll just put some in there. Do lots of eyelashes. Oop, I forgot the bridge of my glasses. Remember, I have wavy hair, so I'm using wavy lines to show my hair. If you have curly or straight hair, you can use any of these textures. Get my scrunchie put in there. And that's just, look how much that's just popping all of that out. I'm going to go through, get my dividing lines. Oop. That will come off with a Clorox wipe. It's just, so you know. Or nail polish remover. We'll get it off as well. All right, now that I have traced my work, I'm going to add some patterns. And I'm going to do this with pencil just in case I don't want everything to be Sharpied. I'm going to add a different pattern into each section in my background. So I'm going to look and see how I have a few different sections. The background is the space around your picture. So my picture, my foreground is my face and my portrait. Around me is the background, the space behind me. I'm going to start by repeating a circle to make a polka dot pattern. The way that I do that is I'm going to draw lots of circles in this box here. Just like that. Then over here, I'm going to do some stripes. Over here, I think I'm going to do some little stars. I can even try to pretend like it's going off the page. What are some other ones I could do? I could do wavy stripes, like the ocean. What else? Maybe over here I could do some hearts. Or some, if you have a sports, like a football, or you could do hearts and do footballs in another spot. I like to play soccer, so I might put, maybe I'll do some soccer balls over here. Soccer balls are kind of tricky to draw. Or you could do some volleyballs. It's up to you. You can do some sports. I'm going to turn this into a basketball. Actually, I'm going to do baseball or a softball. So if you like sports, you can put some sports over there. Over here, I'm actually going to do a few different shapes. I'm going to do triangles and then curly cues. So a kind of shape in a line. Any kind of shape or line or combination of those things that repeat themselves makes a pattern. Okay, I brought two more sections. Here I'm going to do some zigzag lines. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. And then I need one more. I've got wavy lines, I've got stripes, I've got zigzags, I've got circles, I've got triangles, curly cues, hearts, sports. Ooh, I'm going to do some fish scales back here. So the way I do that is a lot of little rainbow shapes that go one after the other. And then you go from top of the rainbow to top of the rainbow. So you go top to top, like that. Some of these might be a little bit challenging for you, and that's okay. If you're having trouble, you can always come up with your own idea or just do your best. I'm just offering a few ideas. If you want to do different patterns from me, that is okay. So I filled that with scallops. All right, there I go. Oh, I forgot to trace my necklace. All right, that's all we're going to do for this week. Next week, we're going to add color.